Hello, in front of me I have WITHINGS Steel HR, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the flash cache on this device. First, we need to press and hold the side button until we see factory reset on the screen. It takes about 10 seconds, I believe. When the factory reset appears on the screen right here, release the side button. Now press it again, and you should see erase flash cache. Then press and hold the side button to confirm and erase cache. And that's how you clear the flash cache on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.